Hello guys, in this video guys, I'm going to share some grocery which is given to me by my boss as part of my food allowance. This is not too much guys, kasi lobat ang guys, wala akong maisip. Wala akong maisip ano ang pagkain ko. So, these oranges, siguro ito guys. This is, I will make for grandpa a juice. So here. And this one is mine. And yes, I can cook also for grandpa. And this is, I can make some pasta or soup. And this is my wheat bread for my breakfast, or if I want to have snacks. This is for grandpa body wash, and I use this for him if he pooping. And yes, this is both for us, for grandpa or for me. And wala talaga guys, maisip guys, kaya itong ilang vegetable. Tapos cabbage. And I have this for breakfast, cereal milk. This is flavored with pistachio and some nuts in here. And this one for grandpa prepares here. Soap. I want to make him soap. Sometimes guys, they are maybe busy not giving here for grandpa food, so I can make for him this soap. And tomato, I plan to make a pasta using this tomato. And this is my replacement in eating meat. It's been a month guys, I'm not always eating meat, so this is, I replace eating meat with this mung beans. And this one is a kiwi fruit. This is for grandpa, kiwi fruit. Is this some onions and sweet potato. And I choose this because I plan to make something for pumpkin. This potato. It's not much guys. So this is for grandpa snacks. It's our egg roll, and also this one is for grandpa noodles. Sometimes he like to eat noodles. This one, and some vegetables in here. This is this is basil leaves because I plan to make a pasta. And this one is a lettuce. This one my favorite one, the broccoli sprout, which is rich in vitamins. This one is for grandpa snacks, and this one, if I want to make or to have some viand with this tuna. And yes, this is for my snacks, and this is cranberry, dried cranberries, sweetened dried cranberry. And here's my another snacks. Hindi na ko na guys, kasi hindi sa nahiya din ako kasi mamahal siya. Ayan, tinawag na ako. Ano ba yan? Putulin ko muna guys. Continue pasaway yung halaga ko guys. Tinawag ako. Nasira tuloy ang aking Tapos, ito pa, meron pang isang digestive biscuit. Yan. I like this. And grandpa also, I can give him this snacks. Use this one, apple for me. And this one is for Grandpa. This I mix with his porridge. This one. This is a fish powder, guys. A fish powder. And this one, eggplant. One of my favorite. Nakalimutan ko pa yung isa, guys, pero hindi ko siya nakikita. Yung okra. Okra, favorite ko din yun. This one for Grandpa. This is like a sweet. It's like a leche flan. Other vegetables, and this is talbos or sweet potato, and this one is American spinach. So this one, and of course my favorite of all these mushrooms, which is rich in vitamins. See? Kuha akong pang-thumbnail. And yes, this one I choose this. This is a small amount only. This is a tuna, and this is cut already like this. What else? And this one is like meatballs, and I can use this for Grandpa soup. Sometimes yeah, they are busy, and sometimes no food bring here if they are busy, so I can make for Grandpa his soup. This one. And the last but not the least, this is my favorite. I will boil it and just eat it. So, ito yun. So guys, maliit pa pala. So guys, yan yung aking grocery. Hindi talaga yan marami guys, kunti lang. Kasi nga lobat ako guys, wala akong maisip. Ano-anuhin ko. Merong akong favorite din, pero binalik ng amo ko kasi nandun na siya sa counter, wala palang tag price, dapat pala itimbangin pa yung taro. So yun, binalik doon. So kunti lang ito talaga, kunti lang to sa totoo lang, kasi every 2 weeks or more than 2 weeks before siyang pumunta dito. Katulad niyan, nabili ako niyan, hindi ko masabi or kung kailan siya ulit babalik. Kaya ang ginawa ko, naglulugaw ako. Kaya almost 1 week na ako guys naglulugaw. Kasi nakapos na ako sa budget. Kaya naglulugaw na ako. So guys, yan na nga guys, ang aking pagkain at hindi naman lahat yan sa akin. Okay? So guys, once again, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the red button for subscribe and ring the bell for notification para update ko sa mga videos na i-upload ko. I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Yan na lahat sa lamisa guys. Hindi naman to lahat sa akin. Part of them is for Grandpa. At yan, kunti lang yan guys. Kasi every 2 weeks naman na siya, hindi na weekly pumupunta dito kasi busy siguro. At saka kunti nga lang yan. Wala kasi ako maisip guys kung ano talaga ang pagkain ko. Na Kasi kung ako kasi guys ang bibili, mas hindi ako nalilito kaysa yung kasama mo yung amo. Siyempre kahit siguro kayo guys, iba yung ikaw lang, di ba? Kasi siyempre kasama ko ang amo ko, nahiya naman ako turo ako ng turo. Eh, yung usapan kasi nila ng agent ko, iwan ko, hindi naman niya tinuloy na pera, siya nang namimili. Pero sa totoo lang, kung akong bibili, mas makuha ko yung gusto ko na gusto kong pagkain talaga. Siyempre, nahiya ako guys. Ayan. Kunti lang yan. Katulad niyang gulay, hindi naman yan aabot ng 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks na siya, hindi na weekly nagpupunta. Siguro busy nga. Kaya yan. Tapos yung iba dyan, hindi naman sa akin yan. Marami akong nakakalimutan. Tulad ng gusto kong kumuha ng cheese. Nahiya naman ako guys. Kasi feeling ko marami na siya. Pero nang tingnan ko ngayon, kunti lang pala. Kaya siguro hindi niya inilagay ang resibo. Hindi katulad noon. Pagka marami, nilalagay niya ang resibo. Kaya ito guys, kunti lang to. Siyempre nahiya talaga ako pagka kasamang amo. Iba yung akong mamili ng pagkain ko. Yan guys. Ayan guys, may konting tanim ako dito. Kahit nasa 14th floor. Itong ampalaya, magugulay ko yan siya guys, yung dahon. Tapos ito pala ay red bell pepper. Pero namumulaklak na siya guys, oh. Namumulaklak na. Namumulaklak na siya. Tapos mayroon pa ako dito. Yan, oh, ampalaya yan. Ampalaya at saka sweet potato or talbos na tanim ko. Mapapakinabangan ko yan siya guys. Kapag kasi hindi nga, minsan nga kinakapos ako. Ayokong magreklamo guys. Magulo na. Yan, ang purpose ko talaga yan, makakain ko yan kaya tinanim ko.